Good morning to my first graders. Miss Kyler's here with Number Corners. Now, as usual, I hope you had a fantastic weekend, but I need you to use your prediction skills and let me know what's going to be on our calendar card for today. Okay, first graders, let's go ahead and see. Was your prediction correct? Did you predict that there would be an ice cream sandwich? Let's take a closer look at this ice cream sandwich. So first graders, we saw on today's calendar card that there is an ice cream sandwich, and the ice cream sandwich is shaped like a rectangular prism, just like the one Miss Kyler has here. But remember, it's a little bit longer and flatter. So we learned three very important words last week: edge, face, and vertex. Whenever we're talking about our 3D shapes this month, or actually all of first grade, these words will be very important. So let's quickly go ahead and count the number of edges that we have on a rectangular prism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 edges on our rectangular prism, and on last week we labeled this rectangular prism so we know how many faces. We can quickly count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 faces. And how many vertices? And we know vertices are just these corners right there, the corners, so we can count them really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's keep going. We're going to go ahead and say our date for today. So we know whenever we say our date, we always start with the day of the week, and today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. Say it with me, first graders. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. Now let's go ahead and say our days of the week, and we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we know from our calendar that today is Monday. So use your first grade reading skills and read with me. Yesterday was what was yesterday? If today is Monday, yesterday had to be Sunday. Good job. So let's keep going. Now, tomorrow will be, if today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Good job, first graders. Now, let's go ahead and say our months of the year. And you know we always start with the very first month, January, and we go all the way down to our current month, which is the last month of the year. So let's go ahead and we're going to say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And we know that December is the 12th month of the year, and it's our very last month of the year. Pretty soon we're going to be starting a new year, and we'll be back at the first month. So let's go ahead and say our date, and you know that this is the 12th month of the year, so I'm going to write my date, that 1 and that 2, and today is the 7th, and our year is 2020, but you already know me so well by now. You know I'm only going to write the 2 last digits, that 2 and that 0. Now, first graders, I'm going to write the abbreviation for December and bring down that date. comma. Now all 4 digits for my year 2020. Now, my favorite, how many days have we been in school learning and growing together? On Friday, it was 62 days. Today is a brand new day, so let's add one more square up there, and it is now 63 days. So, first graders, as always, I'm going to write that 2-digit number, and then I'm going to spell the word. So let's go ahead and see 63, and then how do we write 63? Just like that, 63. So, first graders, we know that this is a 2-digit number, and we have a 6 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. And now, this month I've been getting fancy dancing with it. I moved away from the fat families. You're still working on your fat families, but Miss Kyler's going to be a little fancy, get some harder things going now. And I decided to, you probably remember, write a 10 for each tens bar. So Ms. Kyler has 10, and then another 10, and then another 10, plus another 10, plus another 10, plus another 10, plus 1, 2, 3. And we know 6 tens plus 3 equals 63. And then I decided to put my 2 reds together to make 20, and I put my 2 blues together to make another 20. That's where I have this 20 and this 20. And then I have one group of 10 for green, one group of 10 for yellow, and my 3 lovely ones. So 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3 still makes 63. And then I went our old-fashioned way with 6 tens bars make 60, plus 3 ones makes 3, and 60 plus 3 equals 63. So my first graders, we have been collecting time. And on last week, on Friday, we were at 4 o'clock. And we know that this is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. And we are going to go ahead and collect one more hour for today. So watch our minute hand travel around the clock. And what time will it be? Our hand is now on the 5, and the minute hand is still on that 12, and that means it is 5 o'clock. And we know that we are in the PM section of our time, so we can say that it is actually 5 p.m. Now, first graders, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that over here on our digital clock. And I'm going to go ahead and put my hour and my minute hand on the analog clock. Oh, got to add my PM first. Then I'm going to put my hour hand and my minute hand on our analog clock. Now, let's go ahead and look at let's go ahead and circle our hour of the day. We are in the 17th hour of our day. Remember, we have 24 hours. So far, we've only collected 17 hours. So let's take a quick look at an activity that we do during the day. We have a little boy and he's practicing his basketball. And is that something we would do in the AM part of our day or the PM part of our day? Is that something we'll do in the morning, in the AM, or the PM? Yeah, you're right. We would do this in the PM part of our day because that's the afternoon. We would probably be playing basketball at recess, or when we are at home, maybe you have a basketball team that you're on and you would go to that after school. And that all happens in the PM time. Now, my first graders, I want for you to close this video, click that button and go to the next slide to start on your Class Kick assignment. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.